Good morning, YouTube. It's your buddy Mark with Crypto for Seniors, where technology meets wisdom and curiosity evolves into knowledge. Today's video will be short and sweet. It is a reminder that time is running out on our crypto giveaway. To enter, please watch the video linked at the end. Subscribe to the Crypto for Seniors channel, go to a video and comment either USA or Canada for our first giveaway, and something positive about crypto. It doesn't have to be a long post. 1 or 2 lines will work just fine, so it will only take you about 2 minutes for a chance to win for our 2,500 subscriber appreciation giveaway. Or you may win a 2-card Tangem cold wallet storage solution. As soon as we hit 2,500 subscribers, I will post a day and time for the drawing. Now you do not have to be present to win. I will make every attempt to get your information. If not, then I will give it away after I pick another name. Additionally, our Discord is open, although at the moment I am not focusing any energy on it until May. Stop by if you have any questions. I would love to meet you. Well, that's it. Smash the like button on your way out, follow the video I show at the end of this video, and you will be entered to win 2,500 Raven RVN tokens or a 2-card Tangem cold wallet solution. Please take care of yourself and those around you.